Hi, my nieces and nephews, and welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. And for those of you who are just rolling through, I hope you stick around, like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all of your support. Today we are going to be making some little mini desserts, okay? So little mini cherry tart pies, okay? So you can go ahead and get your oven preheated at 425, all right? So Auntie is going to show you what you need. It's a very easy and quick recipe. Doesn't take a lot of time at all right? So give me a minute and I'll be back, okay? You're going to need a muffin pan with 12 muffin cups. Now, I'm using for the these mini pie crust by Pillsbury. It makes these little mini pie crusts. It say it makes 14. I'm only using, it has two sheets in it. Say it makes 14. I'm only using 6 pie crusts because no one's gonna really, they're gonna be for me. These are Auntie's special little thingies. So they come in roll just like their pie, but they have these on you just cut them out, okay? But so you're gonna need these Pillsbury mini pie crusts, okay, my friends? And my pan is, I grease my pan with some Crisco shortening, but you can use whatever you want to use in your pan. You can spray it, you know. That's what I should have did. You're gonna need any kind of fruit topping that you can have. They also have the sugar free, but I didn't feel like going out, you know, getting that, so I got this. This is already here. You're gonna need some flour to dust your bowl. It doesn't matter what kind of flour you use, because you don't, you know, you're gonna need some flour. Okay, you're gonna need some rice or beans to put in your pie shells. It's called blind baking. It helps your pie crust from caving in and the bottom from getting a bubble, okay? And like I said, you can go ahead and get that oven preheated. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the pie crust in the muffin tin, okay? See, it's flat. That's why it's so easy for me to get it. Oh, one more thing. Start out with nice, clean, fresh, sanitized fingers. And all I'm doing is just getting the pie shells in here. Nice. Just getting the pie shells in here. Like I said, I'm only using 6. Okay. Oh, I guess I have to use 7. There's 7 on each sheet. I didn't notice that. There's 7 on each sheet, my friends. No wonder it's 14. I miscounted. I'm going to spray this last one. I'm going to spray this last one. I still don't feel like digging back into Crisco. It'll be all right. You'll be all right, baby. Yes, you're going to cook up just fine. Okay, let me get my rice. Scoop some rice in each shell. That's all I'm doing, and I'm only gonna put this in here for about 7 minutes. This is gonna keep my pie shell from caving in. Now, this is the only thing this rice is used for. It's not, I never dig into it for cooking. Because this is the only thing it's used for. That's why it says for pie baking. Put that over there. Smooth it out. And I'm put this in the oven, and I'll be back once these shells are done. Okay, my friends? Not my friends. I told y'all rumble, crumble, bumble today. Nieces and nephews, Auntie will be back, and the family will get back to cooking, okay? Okay, my friends. The rice is all, pie shells all done. Got all my rice out of there. And here they are. See, this is what I was talking about. That rice, or you use dried beans, it keeps your pie crust from falling in. Just a piece of little rice in that empty one. And I'm going to open up the pie filling. And you can use any kind of fruit pie filling you want. Blueberry, blackberry. It'd be cute for the 4th of July if you use the blueberry and the cherry. And top them with, once they're completely cool, top them with a little whipped cream and a cherry. That would be really, really cute. Really, really cute for the 4th. It's coming up. Now, I don't make apple pie filling. I mean cherry pie filling. Because when I buy cherries, fresh cherries, I want them all for myself. Okay, this is a 1/3 cup of filling. And it didn't take all of that. I really want to get some cherries in here. That's my goal, to make sure I get cherries. So I guess I had to dig down. Go deep. Go deep. I guess when since it's 1/3 cup and I'm digging deep to get these cherries down. Get some cherries. It's making it 1/3 cup. I guess this one can is gonna be suffice. Take a little bit more cherry. I think you can, yeah, you can, baby. You can. Sweet cherry. Ooh, 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 sweet cherry. Okay, nieces and nephews, gonna pop this in the oven at 425 for about 12 minutes, and they will be done, okay? Hold on, good nieces and nephews, while Auntie get this in the oven. Hey, my nieces and nephews, our mini cherry pie / tarts are all done. See, this one trying to lean over a little bit. So let me get one up for you. Look at here. Don't they look good? And so let's get one and dress it up a little bit. How about that? Okay, let's get one and dress it up a little bit. All right, so we're going to get one of these cute little dessert bowls right here. You get like, I think 8 or 10 of these or whatever. Got them at the Dollar Tree. And I actually forgot I had them. Found them in the my little cabinet. So what I'm going to do, got that in there. And for my fellow diabetics. This is 35 carbs. Each dessert has 35 carbs. It's 22 carbs in the topping because it's 1/3 cup, and the crust is 13 carbs. So that's going to give you 35 carbs. Okay, so we're going to get a little whippy cream. Get us a little whipped cream here. How about that? That's enough. And have a little tasty. Oh, I can't wait either. Okay. That's it. I've had my 17 carbs. And I'm going to put these in a container and put them in the fridge. Hold on, nieces and nephews. Thank you, my nieces and nephews, for hanging out with your old auntie in her kitchen. And well, I made these quick, simple, and easy little mini cherry pie / tarts. You can call them tarts. You can call them pies. Again, you can use any kind of pie filling you want to. There are so many varieties, but I suggest you use Comstock. Okay, Comstock. But you know there are 2 sugar-free cherry pie fillings out there at Walmart, apple and cherry. There are 2 pie fillings out there. I don't know if I jumbled those words or not, but anyway, I will see you guys later. Hugs and kisses to all of you. Hit that like and subscribe button. And for those of you that are willing to lean on through, hope you stick around, because there's more to come from Auntie No's Kitchen. Until the next upload, you know what I say about being you. Be great at being you. Until the next time, see you later. Bye.